Hi, welcome back to Trauma to Dreams. Well, I've been on quite a bit of a journey. It's been silent for almost a week, but that has its reasons. Because I think I just cracked open the last piece of the puzzle that I've been searching for 45 years. And it's not a very good one. And I just had to think for a while what to do with it and who to talk to, Because my entire life we have focused on one particular thing that has been bothering me for a very long time, and that's the bullying. And all the things that came from that, the traumas, the PTSD, the anxiety, and all sorts of bodily misfunctions that are now slowly dripping away. So, I've been searching for this for 45 years, and then all of a sudden it hit me pretty hard. Yeah, you can say that. So, and meanwhile, I'm here in my caravan. I've got the fireplace going, but it's not getting really warmer. So tops is about 12 degrees. So that's also not a fun place for my daughter as well. She's coming tomorrow, and there's some snow everywhere. So yeah. So now I think we are almost finally done. And now, after all those years, all those decades, I can finally rest. I hope. Built my own place in France, and yeah. So, here's what I've done in the meantime, in the past 2 weeks, and I hope I get to do some things these current days, but yeah, it's been hard. Freaking hard. Welcome back. It's first Christmas Day, and unfortunately I'm spending it alone, so I'm gonna have to make the best of it. So I'm gonna cook something good, and the thing that I'm cooking is Flammkuchen. What you need is some cream cheese. So we fill the bottom of this with some cream cheese. And the next thing we are going to do is put a layer of regular grated cheese. Then some bacon flakes. Mozzarella. After that, we're going for some Italian spices. Put this in the oven, and for about 12 minutes, 11 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius, or 55,000 Fahrenheit. I don't know the measurements. It's not that much. Anyway, it goes in the oven. Yep, all for me. Have a nice Christmas. I woke up with a little bit of a problem. My water heater just, because it was freezing, it was exploding from the inside, or whatever you call it. So one of the water pipes broke. It's this one right here, and I have some. This is called plastic plastic steel, yeah. And with that I can just put it over there and it will be closed. I hope so. Cross fingers. Yeah, this is it. I've used this before. It was a funny story anyway. So we just take a piece of this. Yep. Get rid of the plastic here. Yeah. Alright, we squish it. Oh, not this. Squish this till it's one substance. Yeah. And after that, I'm going to put it on this part right here. This will get warm. After that, it's watertight, waterproof, hard as a rock. And yeah, that should work. It's just broken. So put it on like this. So now we let it harden a bit, and it takes about a half hour. It's rock solid hard. Then we have to test the pipes if there's not another leak, and I can use it again. Okay, let's see if that stuff really works. So if it is hardened, let's see. It's not fully hard yet, so yeah, I have to wait a little bit longer. Anyway, it's going the correct way. Yeah. I had to put it in a box because there wasn't any room anymore left in on the inside when I remodeled the bathroom. So I did it on the outside, and that was cool as well, because the water comes from the outside and to the side, and I have to change it sometimes for the water from the park and the water from the pump, because in the wintertime the water from the park is closed off. So